Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you what a card I made for the new release from Spellbinders that is called Summer Solstice Garden. I think I got it right. And what I did, I die cut these beautiful flowers that is called a kitchenette or something like that. I'm sorry, I'm never gonna get it right, so I will write it down somewhere here. Anyway, I die cut them in yellow. I die cut quite a few. The set come with two layer of flowers, so I die cut both in yellow, and now I'm just gonna add a bit of red in the center with some distress ink. I think it's called Candied Apple, the red I'm using. So it looks like orange because it's on top of the yellow. Now, thanks to the embossing the molding mat and this embossing tool, I managed to make the petals a lot more dimensional just by rubbing the back of it with this ball. I don't think the tool is available anymore. I tried to find it, I couldn't. Definitely the molding mat, so I will list that one below if you're interested. What you need is to find dry embossing tool. I don't know why it's not available. Maybe in Amazon. I'll have a look. If I can find it, I'll list it below, because it's very, very, very helpful with this type of flowers to create the best dimension. Now, once I glue together the two layers, I'm just gonna put my gem already in the center, and then I'm gonna put glue all around, and I'm gonna attach the little stars from the I die cut in red. I die cut in red and yellow, but I'm gonna use just red for this card. And with the other side of the tools, when it's a much smaller ball, I can push down on my embossing mat, sorry, molding mat, so all those little stars, they got dimension as well. I don't know if you can see it, but it does create a very pretty dimensional effect. And that's it. I love that gem. So sparkly. So I've got A2 size panel, and now I'm gonna do some smoosh watercolor. That is such a fun, quick technique to create nice watercolor effect in your panels. So I use a piece of acetate, and I just smear some, I think it's a mustard seed, put some water, and then I just smoosh it in my panel, and then I dry it off, and with the leftover I put it back, so we got some darker drops as well, and again I dry it off, and now I want a little bit of splatter in green as well, so I'm using Mow It Low, and I'm just gonna do the same things, but I'm not gonna put directly the whole things. I want just a few ones, so I'm just gonna smoosh it on my glass mat and then add the rest in my panel, and that's it. I don't want to do much more, so I'm just gonna flicker it to have a little bit of splatter there, and that's it. Again, I'm gonna dry it off. So it's ready for the next level, that is a bit of black splatters. Now for the black, I'm using some Memento ink, the black one, and I'm gonna put it in my splatter box. That is perfect for these kind of things. Just a couple of drops of black, and now with the what do you call this type of brush? I don't know. I don't know what to call it, but you know, it's large and it's a bit hard as well. It's not super soft. And that's it. Just few black splatter there, and it's done. Now I'm just gonna arrange all my flowers and leave in my panel that I matte in gold. I trim it a bit and then matte it in gold. And then I just attach to a card base. And now I'm just gonna put my sentiment that is foiled in gold or rose gold. There you go. No, it's not straight. So I'm gonna redo that. Go down a bit. Perfect. Now it's straight. And as a final touch, I'm gonna add a couple of gems. That the half pearl gold in gold. I think they match nice my matte and the sentiment. It could have been fine with some red one as well, but I don't have anything particularly good for red, so I'm just gonna use my gold that I never let me down, my Alper gold. So I'm just gonna scatter it here and there. I think I went maybe a little bit over the top. I'm not sure. What do you think? But I went a bit all over. I think there's still odd number, not even number, and that is important. Yeah, I'm counting them there to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I'm gonna have 9, 1 somewhere. Oops. And that's it. And my card is done. There you go. I hope you like it. It was a lot of fun to make, and I love all this dimension and the bright colors. So thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye.